If your stomach has ever decided to ruin your entire day, congratulations! You're human! But here's the interesting part. 95% of people who struggle with bloating, gut pain, diarrhea, or constipation don't need new medications. They need better plans. These are plants I recommend all the time, and you can grow or get most of them easily. Let's get into it. 1. Marshmallow root. Marshmallow root might sound like a candy, but the real plant is one of the most soothing digestive medicines nature has ever made. Here's why. Marshmallow root contains mucilage, a gel-like compound that coats and protects your gut lining, like applying aloe vera inside your digestive tract. When your stomach is burning, irritated, or inflamed, this coating gives your gut a break so it can heal. What it helps? That's why people call it the second skin herb. And one of the most powerful herbs for calming that system down is chamomile. Chamomile works in a way most people don't realize. It relaxes the smooth muscles in your stomach and intestines. When your gut is spasming, cramping, or overreacting, chamomile steps in like a calm voice saying, "Relax." And even acid reflux that gets triggered by nerves or hiatal hernia discomfort. And lowers anxiety and tension, which are some of the biggest triggers for digestive flare-up. If your stomach goes crazy whenever you're stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed, chamomile is the herb that often brings almost immediate relief. The fastest way to use it is a strong chamomile tea, though extracts or combinations of peppermint or fennel for IBS work beautifully too. And yes, this one can work within minutes. Angelica seed, on the other hand, is the herb you reach for when things go from uncomfortable to urgent. If you've ever dealt with sudden diarrhea, painful spasms, or gut muscles contracting so hard you can't think straight, Angelica seed is a lifesaver. It's a powerful that means it directly relaxes overactive digestive muscles. Most people don't realize diarrhea isn't just loose stool. It's actually the intestines contracting too fast for the body to absorb water. Angelica steps in and essentially tells your gut, "Everyone chill out and slow down." That's why it's incredibly effective for diarrhea, cramp and IBS, gas pains, colicky pain, and even spasms linked to ulcerative colitis. Research shows Angelica extracts have strong muscle relaxing activity, reduce cramping, and slow down intestinal movement so your body can regain control. People use it by chewing the seeds, drinking the tea, or using tinctures. And for anyone who wants a natural alternative to harsh antidiarrhea medications, this herb is unmatched. Then there's catnip. Yes, the same plant that makes cats go wild, but don't worry, humans don't react to it that way. It's especially helpful for colicky babies, gas, bloating, stomach tension, stress-related gut issues, and restless, uncomfortable digestion. It's extremely safe and deeply soothing. The reason catnip works so well is because it calms the nervous system and the gut muscles at the same time. And since your gut and your brain talk constantly, when one relaxes, the other follows. Many breastfeeding mothers swear by it, saying that drinking catnip tea reduces colic in their babies because the calming compounds pass through the breast milk. It is gentle enough even for infants in very small amounts, and incredibly effective for adults too. Pumpkin is loaded with soluble fiber, insoluble fiber, minerals, antioxidants, beta-carotene, and prebiotics, basically everything your gut needs to function smoothly. It feeds your beneficial gut bacteria and supports the natural movement of your intestines. That's why pumpkin helps with constipation, loose stools, IBS, gut microbiome imbalance, weight support, blood sugar regulation, and inflammation. And pumpkin seeds carry their own ancient power. Traditional heirloom pumpkin seeds contain a compound that can help expel intestinal worms, a remedy used for centuries and backed by real science. Pumpkin's fiber acts as a natural bulking laxative. It's gentle and effective, and it normalizes your digestion beautifully. If you're constipated, it gets things moving. If you're dealing with loose stools, it adds structure. Pumpkin gives your gut exactly what it needs. No more, no less. These 5 plants work because they target the real roots of digestive distress: inflammation, gut lining damage, muscle spasms, stress and nervous system overload, and microbiome imbalance. When you fix those, your entire digestive life changes. Your body isn't broken, it's overwhelmed. And when you give it soothing, natural, time-tested plants, you'd be shocked at how fast it responds. If you want more gut healing videos, deeper herb breakdowns, and natural health guides, hit like, subscribe, and comment gut health so I know to make the next part. Take care of it, and the rest of your life gets easier.